So this question asks, what type of conic is each of the following relations and explain why? So let's take a look at A here. It says 5y squared minus 2x squared is equal to negative 25. In this one, the x squared and y squared, the coefficients have different signs. And so when the coefficients on the x squared and y squared have different signs, that makes it a hyperbola, if I could spell this here. So this is a hyperbola, and it's because the x squared and y squared have different signs is the reasons on that one. Let's take a look at B. B is x is equal to negative 1/2 y squared minus 3. In this one, the x squared is a missing term. So that makes it a parabola. So on this one, the x squared is missing, and it would make a difference. I mean, if I had, y is equal to 1/2 x squared, and the y squared was missing, it would still be a parabola. Parabola is when either the x squared or the y squared is missing. For C, we have 4x squared plus 6y squared is equal to 36. Here I have both the x squared and the y squared. They have different values, but the sign is the same. So in this one, this is going to be in ellipse. Okay, so the x squared and y squared have the same sign, but different values. The interesting thing about this is that if the values, the coefficients on the x squared and y squared were the same and the sign was the same, then it would be a circle, because circles are just a type of an ellipse. So the next one here, D, is x squared minus 1/4, negative 1/4 y is equal to 1. And this is a parabola because the y squared is missing. So remember, anytime that we have the x squared or the y squared missing, it is a parabola. So here it's a parabola because the y squared is missing. So on E, it says negative x squared over 8 plus y squared over 4 is equal to 1. So I have both the x and the y, but they have different signs. And so when I have different signs, that makes it a hyperbola, because the x squared and the y squared, the two squareds, have different signs on there. And then the last one says negative x squared plus 99y squared is equal to 12. I have both the x and the y squared, but they have different signs. And when my x squared and y squared have different signs, then it's just a hyperbola. So this is just like E, the one before, the x squared and y squared have different signs, so it makes it a hyperbola.